Hello guys, what is up? This is kind of like a part 2 to my video I just filmed a little while ago. My new borax with a slime with saline solution instead of borax. So if you are new to my channel, comment down below more video suggestions, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel to really help me out, guys. So yeah, on my YouTube channel, I just post videos that are really fun to see, and I've been doing a lot of slime lately because I love slime, and a lot of people like slime. But if you don't like slime, comment down more video suggestions, and I will totally 100% do all of your video suggestions. So yeah, anyway, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is, we're going to be making jiggly slime, and last time I made a glitter slime, and this turned out really well with saline solution. I think it's really fun, and it's a great alternative. So I'm just going to be using the same thing I did last time. You're going to do glue as much as you want. I just did a tiny bit. And then you're going to need a lot of water, like half water, half glue. Probably even more. So now you're just going to mix this up until you have, it's probably going to look like this, weird and stringy. Just keep mixing though until you get a non-clumpy smooth consistency. So now we're going to activate this. So I did 3 pinches of baking soda. I would not do more than that if you're making the size of slime that I did, because if you do, it probably will be too hard. Now, take your spoon out if you want and squirt some of the saline evenly on your glue. And if you haven't seen my last video, definitely watch that. And you need in your saline boric acid or sodium borate, or both works. So this is going to need a lot of this saline activator because of how much water we added. So just add some and then mix, and add some and then mix. And this is super nice because it's so easy to squirt out. Look at that, perfect. And now I'm just going to mix. It looks and feels like water. This doesn't need a lot of activator. I definitely overactivated this for sure. This is what we have. It's super glossy, super jiggly. I definitely would recommend more water if you want it to be more jiggly. It just gives more of a kind of jiggly consistency and a really nice glossy slime. And once again, as I said in my last video, this is a great alternative to borax slime. And yeah, so once again, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below for more videos, and like this video. So yeah, I love this, great alternative, and if you only have this at your house, definitely recommend it. This is really fun. And bye.